Welcome to PartsHnC, your trusted source for all things HVAC. In today's video, we'll walk you through the 9 different types of home heating systems. Forced air heating. First, we have forced air heating, the most common system, where a furnace heats air and distributes it through ducts. It's fast, efficient, and easy to install. Radiant heating. Next, radiant heating uses warm water or electric coils to heat floors or walls, delivering gentle, even warmth throughout your home. Steam radiators. Old-fashioned steam radiators heat homes by circulating steam through pipes, releasing steady, reliable warmth. It is classic and effective. Hydronic heating. Hydronic heating is similar to radiant heat but uses hot water flowing through pipes under the floor or along walls. It's highly efficient and perfect for large homes. Heat pumps. Heat pumps are super cool. They extract heat from the air or ground outside and bring it inside to heat your home. Plus, they can cool your home in summer. Electric baseboard heaters. Electric baseboard heaters are another option. They're easy to install, and each unit works independently so that you can control the temperature in different rooms. Pellet stoves. Pellet stoves are an eco-friendly option that burn compressed wood pellets to create heat, offering a green and comfortable heating solution. Gas fireplaces. Gas fireplaces are perfect for adding warmth and ambiance to any room. No logs, no mess. Just a flick of a switch for instant heat and a cozy atmosphere. Dual fuel systems. Dual fuel systems combine a heat pump with a furnace, switching between the two to optimize efficiency and comfort depending on the weather. At PartsHnC, we offer a wide selection of heating system components, tools, and accessories to ensure your heating system runs smoothly.